નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello children, Standard 3rd, Subject English Grammar, Chapter number 1, Let's Remember. On the previous video, we had learned rearranging sentences. Do you remember exercise A? Rearrange the words to form a complete sentences. Okay, then next was our exercise B, punctuation mark. Rewrite the sentences using correct capital letters and punctuation marks, right? We had completed this two exercise A and exercise B. Okay children, now open your page number 5. Okay, in this page we will do our exercise C. Let's read the heading. Circle the correct articles. Okay children, before starting this exercise, let's remember our articles A and the. Now you all are thinking, what is A and the? Wait, I will give you the answer. A and the are articles. Let's learn about it. Okay children, now we will see the article, right? The is used to refer to specify or particular noun, and an. Now we will see about an. Okay, an is used to modified non-specify or non-particular noun. Now let's see article about an and the. Okay, first we will see about an. Look at the first slide. Okay, this one, right? An is used with singular noun beginning with a vowel, right children? And a is used with singular noun beginning with a consonant, right children? अब धीरे धीरे याद आ रहा है ना आपको? वेरी नाइस. ये हम तो सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड में सीख गए थे, याद आया ना? हाँ चलो, अब देखते हैं हम द आर्टिकल, राइट? दिस वन. नाउ लुक एट द लास्ट स्लाइड. ओके, द इज यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर and plural noun, but the noun have to be specific. Okay, तो आपने देखा ना, तो हम कॉन्सोनेंट, जब कॉन्सोनेंट से कोई वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ए. वेरी गुड. और जब कोई भी वर्ड वोवल से स्टार्ट होता है, जैसे कि ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, तो हम कौन सा आर्टिकल लगाते हैं? an. Very nice. Okay kids, now let's know about more the article, right? The article used to talk about the reintroduced noun the second time, or comes before names of denouned person. Okay kids, let's see the example. Okay, okay children, now there is only one sun. Okay, four things that are only one of their kind, we used the, not a. Okay, we can say the sun, right? Let's see more examples, right? The earth, the Taj Mahal. Okay, now I think article A and the grammar topic is clear, right? Okay, now let's start our exercise C. Circle the correct articles, right? Number one is, here are three options, right? The, a, an. Sun is really hot today. Okay children, can you help me for finding this answer? Okay, the answer will become the, right? Why? Because sun, I told you, right? You remember the example over? Very good. Now let's see the second one. Number two is, I have just the, a, an race. It was blank swimming race, right? Now here are, you have to put two articles here, on the first one here and here. You have to help it, okay? Now let's see it. On the first one it will come, I have just won the race. What will come? The race, right? And now the second time, which race it was? Swimming race. Now can you see swimming word is starting from a consonant. That's why what will come the answer? Article A. Very nice. Okay, fill up your textbook with me, right? Okay, now let's start our third one. What time are we meeting at cinema? Okay, now in this third sentence, the cinema is the place, right? That's why our answer will become the. Okay, now number 4. For lunch, I have got apple and banana. Now it's very easy. Here you can see apple, right? It is starting from vowel, right? That's why what will come? A N N. That's why we will circle A N N. And next it is banana. It starts from B. B is consonant. Very good. We have to circle A. Very nice. Now let's start our 5. Number 5 sentence. We live in old house. It is oldest house in the town. Very good. Now can you see here old house, right? What is that? Old house. O is a vowel, right? The word start from the vowel. We use article N, right? But in the next sentence, the same word is here, oldest house. This is also starting from O. This is also vowel. What will do? No, we will not use AN. Why? Because we are using house and house. Reintroduce. I told you, right? Reintroduce same word. It is coming on next sentence. That's why we will use the. Okay, this is clear, right? Very good. तो यहाँ पे हमारी एक्सरसाइज सी कंप्लीट होती है, राइट? डोंट वरी, आई विल गिव यू द आंसर की. यू हैव टू फिल अप इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. This is your answer key. You can see it. I have just put dash. मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे टिक्स लगाए हैं, आपको सर्कल करना है, right children? Thank you for joining us.